Hey everybody, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, DIY Restaurant Design. Our goal in episode 2 is to give you the tools you need to create what's known as a preliminary floor plan. If you were with us for episode 1, we explained measuring the space and developing an accurate dimensional drawing of the interior. So what's your concept? Are you full service, takeout, or a hybrid of both? The next step of this process will be to lay out various areas within the space used for cooking and warewashing, dining, etc. The menu is going to dictate the type of equipment you will need. You're now ready to start placing equipment symbols into your drawing. It'll be really important to note that when placing symbols into your drawing, that they're to scale. This means they're the same dimension as the equipment you intend to use. The results will be that you now have a preliminary floor plan. Stick around and check out episode 3. We'll talk about moving symbols, modifying the space, and making changes. DIY floor plans are brought to you by DIY Restaurant Design. Visit our website at spartanwest.com.